The T42G supports both local and network conference. Create a local conference with two parties in the following way. While establishing a call with the first party, press the conference soft key. The first party will be placed on hold. Next, call the second party's number. When the second party answers, press the conference soft key to begin your three-way conference. The LCD will then display the conference call icon. Through the three-user conference option, you can perform a variety of operations. Press the mute function key to put the conference in mute mode. Press the hold soft key to place the conference on hold. When you're ready, press resume to continue the conference. Additionally, there is the option to use the split soft key, which splits the conference into two individual calls. When this happens, the host and other two calls will be placed on hold. Press resume to continue talking. Press conference again to re-establish a three-user conference. You can also press the manage soft key to enter the management interface. Choose a party and press the far mute soft key to prevent them from speaking. If you press remove, this member will be removed from the three-user conference.